Yay. Honey, what did you just do?
I fixed the light on the bow of the boat. What happened was, in a storm, these were all bungee cords to protect the boat. But what happened was we got a hell of a wind from behind, forced the boat farther enough forward, and then slammed it up into the dock. Ripped the light right off. So I just did a test before I put it on. Make sure it works.
Yay, safety at night. It's very important in boating.
Well, yeah, that and getting pulled over isn't so fun. Got that tape?
Yeah. Always doing something. Max too. He's helping.
See, even bald Joe, bald Salty, can fix stuff.
Yep. You don't need hair to fix things.
Follically impaired.
While you're down there.
Sure.
Yeah, there's Daddy. Safe.